when you recite in Arabic and when you also at the same time translate at the back of your mind, recite in Arabic, at the back of your mind the meaning is being translated. Now more portion of your mind is occupied, less chances it will deviate. Those who know Arabic as a language, besides reciting, also concentrate on the meaning. It will deviate less. Now once you start doing this, maybe after a few months, it becomes mechanical. You're reciting in Arabic, you know the translation so well, you can say it in the middle of your night, in the middle of your sleep. So what? Then, besides even recollecting the meaning, also concentrate on the meaning. A human being cannot concentrate on two things together. You can concentrate 50-50%. For example, while driving a car, you are concentrating partly and also talking, no problem. But if you're reading a book, you can read a book and even listen to something else, but your concentration is divided. But if 100% you want to concentrate on reading the book and the meaning and doing something else, no. So similarly, when you are reading the Salaah, in your Salaah, when you are reciting the Quran, recollect the meaning, concentrate on the meaning. The more you concentrate on the meaning, less will your mind deviate. And less chances these evil thoughts will come. Less chances you will think of something else. But to concentrate, you should know the meaning. If you don't know the meaning, how will you concentrate?